Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Today's recipe is a viewer requested recipe. Now, what is that special recipe, you may be wondering? Today we are making a restaurant style Paneer Chili appetizer. Paneer Chili is a popular Indo-Chinese starter or appetizer made with fried paneer, toasted onions, multicolored peppers, and some chili sauce. Usually, this recipe is made with monosodium glutamate, also known as MSG. This is a flavor enhancer, commonly added to Chinese food. This recipe is made without MSG. Let's get started to make this delicious restaurant-style Paneer Chili appetizer. Let's first prepare the batter to fry our wonderful paneer. In a mixing bowl, add all-purpose flour, corn flour, white pepper, red chili powder, salt. Add little water at a time and make it into a nice thick paste. Adding orange food coloring is optional. I am not using it today. Your batter shouldn't be too thick nor too thin. It should be thick enough to coat the paneer cubes. Let's heat up a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can deep fry the paneer, but I prefer to shallow fry them in less oil, in batches. Dip in the batter and shallow fry on all sides until cooked well. We have shallow fried all of our paneers. Now, let's make the paneer chili. No one's watching me. I'm going to use my secret ninja powers and grab a couple of paneer cubes. What? I'm not eating all of them. I just have to make sure they taste good, you know. I don't want them to be tasting bad. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in the same pan. Add finely chopped garlic, saute for 45 seconds. Add in chopped onions and bell peppers and saute for 2 minutes on high heat. Add a bit of salt for taste. Finely chopped scallions, red chili powder. Adjust red chili powder according to your taste. It's time to add in our chili garlic tomato ketchup. If you want to know how to make this recipe, make sure to watch the suggested video that pops up. Add in some soya sauce. white vinegar, add in the fried paneer and mix well. While mixing, you want to pretend that the paneer is a baby. Mix it nice and lightly or else it will break. To a bowl, add some cornstarch and water and mix without any lumps and pour over the peppers, onions, and paneer and mix well. Toss in some more fresh scallions. This paneer pairs really well with akka noodles, fried rice, or you can even make this paneer into a wrap. Now I know you guys might have missed my wonderful jokes, and let me tell you, it's very sad that I didn't get to tell you any jokes, but I'm back again with those jokes.
I want to go to free trip.
Why didn't the boy get to go on the field trip to the cheese factory? His parents didn't sign the permission slip. Get it? Permission? Permission? Ha ha ha, it's very funny. I know, you're laughing. Transfer to serving dish. And enjoy this yummy, delicious restaurant-style paneer chili appetizer. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!